I'm Danny Dyer, and this is the Real Football Factories. I played Tommy Johnson in the movie The Football Factories, which was all about football violence. Fucking nutters. But that was just acting. Now I'm on a journey around the country meeting the real firms who have mass offs at football matches for real. No fake blood, no stuntmen, no makeup. This time it's just me and the country's hardest hooligans. I meet the real top boys who tell you the score. Now, Yorkshire's a proud footballing region, and tonight I'm going to meet 4 main teams. My journey's going to take me to Hull, Sheffield and Leeds, where I'll meet Yorkshire's top boys, and I'll see their toughest firms in action. I travel to Yorkshire to visit 5 teams who've got the toughest, most active and best manned firms in the region. The service crew of Leeds.
I thought, fuck hell, we're going to die here.
The Blades and the Owls of Sheffield.
And he's just buffed me with a brick straight in my face.
With the naughtiest firm on earth.
The Psychos of Hull.
You'd be fighting for your lives.
And the Ointment of Bradford.
When it kicks off, it's best buzz in the world.
I'm going to meet some of the most feared crews in the country. Yorkshire has been devastated by the collapse of traditional industries, textile, coal and steel.
There were more injuries as police drove the pickets back up.
I'm on a journey to find out how this area became a rich breeding ground for hooliganism